In a time when the world was still young and magic flowed at the heart of nature, the first fairy was born from the tears of the goddess Danu and the light of the stars. Her name was Aurelia, the guardian of nature and the first protector of the world of Sidhe. Aurelia, who heard the cries and despair of the people, decided to help one of them. But this decision would change her fate forever. But instead of being grateful, the villagers were driven by greed. They decided to capture Aurelia and use her magic for their own benefit. With a broken heart, Aurelia returned to the world of Sidhe and swore never to trust the humans again. Yet from afar, she continued to help maintain the balance of nature. The story of Aurelia reminds us that nature needs respect and care. She, the first fairy, is still among us, in every flower, in every tree, and in every breath of wind. For more stories about mythology and legendary beings, subscribe to our channel.